Rolling in money, unveiling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning of the phrase, roll in money. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in a casual conversation. So, if you're ready to enrich your English vocabulary, let's get started. The phrase, roll in money, is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they are rolling in money, it doesn't mean they are literally rolling around in cash. It's a metaphor that means to have a lot of money, so much so that one can afford to waste it or not know how to spend it all. It often implies that the person is wealthy enough to not worry about running out of money. It's always interesting to know where these expressions come from, isn't it? The phrase, roll in money, has been around for quite some time, and it's believed to have originated from the olden days when wealth was often shown by displaying coins. The imagery of someone rolling in piles of coins led to this colorful expression. Let's look at how to use roll in money in everyday language. Here are a few examples. After his app went viral, he was rolling in money. They won the lottery last year and have been rolling in money ever since. With the success of her latest book, she's literally rolling in money. A common mistake learners make is using this phrase too literally or in the wrong context. Remember, it's not appropriate for formal situations, and it's also not to be taken literally. It's a figure of speech. And there you have it. Next time you hear someone say they're rolling in money, you'll know exactly what they mean. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be rolling in English phrases. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning content. Happy learning!